Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important for AIBE 19 Undertaking candidates who have not yet uploaded their enrollment certificate. At first, you need to use any browser to view the notification. I have used the Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser and type AIBE in the search bar. An interface like this will be displayed. Then visit the official website. This is official website and click here. An interface like this will be displayed. Below the interface, this is an important notification and it will show up as soon as you click the website. As per notification, the Bar Council of India has released a new important notice dated 22nd December 2025 regarding the upload of enrollment certificate for AIBE 19 candidates. Candidates whose certificate of practice has not been proceed due to a pass or undertaking result status are required to upload their enrollment certificate. Click on this link to upload your enrollment certificate. An interface like this will be displayed. You will need to complete this in two steps. This is one step and step 2. Step 1, in step 1 you need to provide your name, applicant name. Click here, roll number, date of birth, mobile number as per AIBE admit card, and last one is captcha code. Then search applicant. As soon as you click on search applicant, your details will be displayed. Then you will have to upload the documents and an application fees of 500 rupees must be paid. If you are an AIBE 19 Undertaking candidates, make sure you upload your enrollment certificate before 21 March 2026. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. For any doubts related to AIBE 19, feel free to the comment below. Thank you for watching.